Hello, Facebook friends. It's your old friend Buddy Davis, and look who's here again. It's the beautiful, wonderful Callie Warner. I love Callie Warner. I love getting a chance to sing with her once again. She's one of my favorite people in the world, and I just want to thank everybody. The last time you and I did a video together, in spite of ourselves, we got over 4,000 views. Isn't that incredible?
Yeah, that's kind of sweet.
That's wonderful.
That's because of you, buddy.
Well, I think it was a combination. I think most of it was guys looking at you, though.
Shucks. Come on, sell them. Talk about something worth talking about.
Okay.
Your CD.
Before we do the song, I do want to mention that, I'm in hot $4,000 for medical bills. So I could use a little help. So if you can find it in your heart to buy one of my new CDs.
It's a great CD.
These Days. The title cut is a Jackson Browne song. I had Richard Haynes and Pee Wee Charles from Gordon Lightfoot's band playing on this CD with me. I also had David Holt and a bunch of other great musicians. No two songs are alike. The CDs are $20, $15 for the CD and $5 for packaging and postage and all that sort of thing. Please mail to Buddy Davis, P.O. Box 403, Arden, North Carolina 28704. It's written down right there for you, and it will be in view as we do this song. And we're doing one called At the Speed of Lonliness.
Speed and the Sound of Loneliness.
Here
one of
we
my
go.
favorite John Prine tunes. Come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run.
I think I'll pick one. Sing it, sweetie.
And I got a heart that burns with a fever. And I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow that crossed the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow when we ain't got one word to say? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.
Come on home now, baby.
You're out there running just to be on the run.
Like and share. We sure enjoy doing that for you. Let us hear from you. See you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Love you.